In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your chat on your live stream in Kick with OBS. So what you want to do is you want to go to this website called botrix.live. This is free. Now you want to sign in with something like, you can either sign in with Trevo, Twitch, YouTube, or Discord. But don't worry, you can also do Kick on here, but I just won't show that first. So I'd sign in with Discord. Now once you're signed in, there's an option here, sign in with Kick. So click on that. Now here you want to put your Kick username. Once you put your username in, it's going to give you this. It says, please give the moderator role to Botrix to continue. So you want to go on here, copy it, click continue. Now, what you want to do is add new, type in Botrix in here, click on that, click add, and then go back to here. Now it's going to say, go to this link and put this command in. So click on this link here, and in the chat, paste this in and click send that there, and that's going to link that to your account. Nice. So click finished and boom, you can see that's linked up. So now you want to go to settings, alerts, sorry, not alerts, go to widgets, and then over here you're going to have all of these different things. So here's the chat option. So click chat, and what you're going to want to do here is you can customize it. So if you want it transparent, it's going to look like this. It'll be transparent. There's a ton of different options that you can do here. And then what you want to do is you want to copy this widget here. Now copy this URL. Make sure nobody can see this URL because it means they can mess around with your stuff. So then you want to go into your settings, like into your software. So OBS, for example. And in here you want to go to settings. Sorry, my bad, you don't want to go to settings, you want to go to add here, this little add. You want to go browser. Now you can call this one chat, or whatever you want. Press OK. And this URL box you want to paste in that widget URL that you just got here. Okay, so now once you press OK, you can see there's this box here. You can move this where you'd like to, make it bigger or smaller, enter. And then the chat's going to be there. So then when you get a message, it's going to pop up here. So let me just give an example for you. Okay, so it's quite hard to actually give you an example of this happening, but you can test it out with your own stream on a separate account. Once you start streaming, and you'll see that it will pop up here in this box. And then in here, you can customize all the settings. So that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below there helped. Thank you for watching.